Hello everyone and welcome to day 10 of the Daniel's Fast. Today I'll be sharing with you a vegan grilled chicken recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. Here I have 7 ounces of firm tofu that I cut into 4 pieces. Now let's prepare our marinade. We're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of dried cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. To a skillet on medium-high heat, we're going to add our tofu. We're going to grill our tofu for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And there you have it, vegan grilled chicken. Stay tuned for the verse of the day. Both the one who makes people holy and those who are made holy are of the same family. So Jesus is not ashamed to call them brothers and sisters. Hebrews 2 verse 11. And I will be a father to you, and you will be my sons and daughters, says the Lord Almighty. 2 Corinthians 6 verse 18. Have a blessed day, everyone.